Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. We want to start here on the daily time frame just so that everybody remembers here the bullish scenarios we're tracking. Definitely a good reminder while the market is going up nicely. Just wanted to help you understand again the relevant support levels as well as the upside breakout points. So here on the daily time frame, it becomes quite clear that I'm still tracking various bullish scenarios, and the important invalidation point that we need to know about, the direct invalidation point, that is the swing low from April. That's the red dotted line here at $10.06. So as long as we're holding that, the pathway for higher prices remains absolutely plausible. Direct move to the upside, absolutely possible, plausible. And we'd like to see the price get towards $47 plus over the coming, months, possibly, Obviously, below that level, there are still bullish scenarios, like, for example, an extended or, larger wave B, but we don't want to talk about that in this video. As long as we're holding above that level, the focus is on higher prices. Important to understand that if we break below that level, the April low, then the support area will be back in focus. So $8.90 and $6.90 as next support levels, And once we get a break above the green line there, we have further confirmation that we are in the breakout. That's at $17.93. And the solid green line above is even more important at around $23.20, I would say, And then it opens the door to $47 plus. So this is here the yellow scenario that we are likely following, and the microstructures are shown on our short-term charts. Here, support held, was tested once here on the 2nd of July. I can remove this now. We don't need it anymore. Let's not have a cluttered chart. The thing is, this pullback was extremely shallow, so it wasn't quite clear whether this here was just an internal fourth wave, or whether we have really a wave 2 here, and we're breaking out directly now. We're breaking out directly, and the idea is now that like on the Ethereum chart, like on the Bitcoin chart, we could indeed be moving up in a third wave, like an internal third wave. And all I've done throughout the day here, because I have updated Link a few times on Discord, all I've done is I've adjusted support. So some of you might already be aware of this support zone here. It's between $14.10 and $14.75. In the previous update, it was a little lower. That's the whole point, right? We're just adjusting support with the price, like a trailing stop. Below $14.10, I mean, should the price break below, and it doesn't look like that at the moment, but things can change quickly in crypto. Below $14.10, the focus will shift to the 4th of July low, just as support, right? Or this area here, right? These previous swing lows, they will likely then be tested again. Maybe it will then shift to a diagonal pattern, but for now, I'm tracking this as an impulse. But I think I see a high chance of it forming to a diagonal, just because this initial move up from the June low wasn't the cleanest 5-wave move up, And some of this looks a bit messy, but we're on a small time frame. That's normal in crypto. So what we're tracking now is whether the third wave can still get to our target here at $17.76. You might be wondering, why is that a target? Because for a third wave, to reach its first ideal target, the price needs to get to the 138% extension. Seems far away, and please note that there is likely going to be strong resistance around $16.20. That's the 100% extension. That's always an important resistance level. We are on our way to getting there. And then if we break above $16.20, $17.15, and $17.76 will be next targets, and especially the $17.76 level is important. And as long as we're holding $14.10, the focus is on higher prices, and the price should reach that 138% extension. Please note, if we go higher more directly, which at the moment we're still doing, we will adjust support. In yesterday's update, I also shared with you here what the next structural resistance level likely is going to be. So I'm going to highlight it in green here on the chart, maybe as a small breakout point. $15.65 could provide some resistance. So overall, this should give you clarity about all the relevant levels at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.